Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I thought I'd do an updated cleaning my brushes video. So if you want to go ahead and see how I clean my brushes, then let's go ahead and get into the video. So in this video, I'm going to be updating you on how I clean my brushes. To be quite honest, nothing really changed. I still clean my brushes the same way as I did in my last video, but it's always nice to have a refresher. So I just go ahead and take my Eco Tools brush shampoo. I squirt some in my hand if I'm doing brushes, and then I just kind of rub the brushes around in the soap and get them clean, rinse them out, and that's pretty much it. For my sponge, as you can see here, I'm just putting the soap onto the sponge, squeezing it in and out of the sponge to get rid of all the foundation and concealer, and then just kind of continuing the process till it's clean, running it under the water obviously, checking to make sure that all the water coming out is clean, and that's pretty much it. Alright, that is going to be it for today's video. Don't forget to feel free to subscribe down below. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you like the video. Otherwise, I will see you next time for my next video. Bye.